Yo, what's going on everybody? Today's video is just a super quick one showing you the Palomino Air Jordan 1s on feet. Let me know if this is a cop or drop in the comment section down below. This shoe will be releasing September 2nd, 2023 for the retail price of $180. In my personal opinion, I think they're better than the Mocha ones, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Let's go ahead and get this video started.
It's just the way I am. I can never change for anybody. Give a fuck if ain't nobody understand me. See the money in my hands. That's when everybody acting friendly. You don't know me, so just stay the fuck around me. Bitch, I came in with a plan. I ain't doing all this shit for nothing. I got family and the ones that stay behind me, and I know I got them mad. They don't ever wanna see me win and think I'm finished, but it's only the beginning. So I gotta keep my head high. I can be on standby. Why you keep on talking, bitch? You need to get your bread right. I've been working long nights, living in that fast life. I can never switch up on my brothers for the limelight. Surround myself with bosses and the ones that have a vision. You ain't talking about a dollar, don't expect for me to listen. All that talking be so cheap when you don't even have ambitions. You're not doing shit for me, bitch, I don't care for your opinion. Why they saying that I changed? Applying all this pressure, it don't take away the pain. You ain't never show me love when I was stuck inside the ring. I had to take a different route, I took the hard away. And now this shit don't even hurt me since they took my heart away. I'm mixing up these drugs and they keep fucking up my brain. My shorty disappointed, she be begging for a change. I ain't never mean to be like this shit, I'm the one to blame. Should've known this shit would happen when I stepped into the game. They wanna come around and think I gotta owe them some. Bitch, I did this by my darling, I don't need to owe you none. You see the way I'm coming, how I'm running up my funds. Early morning, longer nights, and now we spend that shit for fun. Some days it be feeling like the shit ain't what it was. Gotta keep it moving, I refuse to give it up. All the talking they be doing, swear that shit ain't adding up. And our blood don't make us family, give a fuck about I am. I can never change for anybody, give a fuck if ain't nobody understand me. See the money in my hands. That's when everybody acting friendly. You don't know me, so just stay the fuck around me. Bitch, I came in with a plan. I ain't doing all this shit for nothing. I got family and the ones that stay behind me, and I know I got them mad. They don't ever wanna see me win and think I'm finished, but it's only the beginning. It's just the way I am. I can never change for anybody. Give a fuck if ain't nobody understand me. See the money in my hands. That's when everybody acting friendly. You don't know me, so just stay the fuck around me. Bitch, I came in with a plan. I ain't doing all this shit for nothing. I got family and the ones that stay behind me, and I know I got them mad. They don't ever wanna see me win and think I'm finished, but it's only the beginning.